welcome to the final week of auditions. The stage is set. The judges are eager.
Cinema, go and get your ticket to Budget.
Cinema, cinema.
And the journey to stardom awaits.
I've always had a dream to be a star.
My dream is to be the next Nigerian Idol winner.
It's better to die than do nothing.
Will our hopefuls seize that moment for a golden ticket, or will they let it pass away?
In this silence, baby, let me hear.
It's now or never for their dreams.
Nigerian Idol Season 9, 7 p.m. West African time. Nigerian Idol, exclusive to DSTV and GoTV.
Nigerian Idol is proudly sponsored by Techno, Stop at Nothing, and Biggie for every moment.